Always remember, the universe has a way of leading you to where you're supposed to be at the moment you're supposed to be there.
Let's do this.
It took me 20 years to find you. How many people can say that? You are the best kept secret in the universe. And I found you, which makes me perfect for this job.
You really think a black suit is going to solve all your problems?
No, but looks damn good on you.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap!
We
Oh snap!
are a rumor. Recognizable only as deja vu and dismissed just as quickly. Time to prove yourself, Agent M. We may have a problem in London.
Welcome to MIB. You will be with Agent H, one of the best ever to wear this suit.
Catching up on my daily meditation. Time for lunch, I think. You hungry?
It's 9:30.
Perfect. Tuesday's taco day.
When I come to the club, step aside. Pop the seats, don't be heavy in the line. VIP, cause you know I got a shot.
We've been compromised. It puts every citizen of this planet at risk.
Come every time you come around my London bridge.
Side view mirror.
Oh snap!
Come every time you come around my London bridge. Wanna go down like,
If we could all just look right here.
Just try.
be going down like, going down like, going down like, going down.
It's gonna be fun. We'll have fun with it.
There should be a big red button around here somewhere.
Found it.
We are the men in black.
Looks like the tables have turned. That was an incredible catch.